Have you ever had nights like this? Lying in bed, eyes closed, yet unable to stop the racing thoughts in your mind. Anxiety, confusion, and sleeplessness crashing over you like waves, disturbing your inner peace. Don't worry, you're not alone. In our fast-paced world, our minds are filled with noise, stress, relationships, and uncertainty about the future. Make our inner world even more chaotic. This guided meditation will help you recognize the mental noise, release anxiety, and regain focus and calm. It's not just a moment of relaxation. It's a shift in how you live. Feel free to share your experience in the comments. Let's find our true selves again, in stillness and clarity. Ready? Let's begin. Inside each of us, countless voices and thoughts flow continuously in our minds. Sometimes these thoughts are like a gentle morning breeze brushing our hearts, but more often, they roar like a storm, overwhelming us everywhere we turn. Mental chatter may appear as repetitive worries, memories of the past, anxieties about the future, or even self-criticism and doubt. When these negative or chaotic thoughts dominate, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, exhausted, and lose direction in life. What's important to understand is that these voices are not our entirety, nor are they reality itself. They are simply the content, replayed repeatedly by our brain. Becoming aware of and accepting these noises is the crucial first step toward inner transformation. Only by facing them can we truly take control. Breath is the most direct bridge connecting us to the present moment. When thoughts are scattered, deep and slow breathing helps us return to now, stopping regrets about the past and worries about the future. Specifically, try the 4-and-4 breathing technique. Inhale slowly while counting to 4, feeling air fill your chest and belly. Then exhale slowly, counting to 4 again, imagining releasing all tension and distracting thoughts out of your body. After repeating this for a few minutes, you'll notice your heartbeat slowing, your body relaxing, and mental noise diminishing. Breathing exercises are simple and practical, able to reset inner calm anytime, anywhere. They are natural remedies against mental fatigue. When we start meditating, the hardest part is often not making thoughts disappear, but learning to adopt a non-judgmental attitude toward them. Many people try to reject distracting thoughts immediately and blame themselves, thinking, "Why am I distracted again?" This self-blame only adds burden to the soul. The right approach is to become a gentle observer of your thoughts, like sitting by a river, watching thoughts flow by, without grabbing or pushing them away. You can softly tell yourself, "These are just thoughts. They don't define me." Over time, This awareness strengthens, and your reactions to mental chatter become calmer, naturally bringing more peace of mind. To help calm the mind, we need an anchor to draw our attention and prevent it from being led astray by distractions. This focus point can be the breath, a sound heard during meditation, or even a peaceful image in the mind. Whenever you notice your thoughts drifting away, don't panic, simply gently bring your attention back to the anchor. This seemingly simple process is the core technique for training concentration. As you deepen your practice, you'll find it easier to focus in daily life, no longer distracted by trivial matters, thus improving both work and life efficiency and quality. Many people, when first trying meditation, find it hard to calm their mind, and even doubt its effectiveness. But quieting the mind is not an overnight miracle. It's the result of practice accumulated day by day. Even spending just 5 to 10 minutes daily, with consistent effort, you'll be pleasantly surprised to find mental noise diminishing, anxiety easing, thoughts becoming clearer, and life feeling more manageable. The key is not to be too harsh on yourself. Meditation is a gentle journey of practice, and patience and persistence will be your strongest allies. Trust the process, and calmness will come naturally. Today's meditation practice is the most precious gift you can give yourself, a gift of inner peace and strength. Remember, quieting your mind isn't about escaping reality. It's about becoming clearer and stronger to face life's challenges. When you learn to coexist peacefully with your mental chatter, you'll find yourself more focused, confident, and calm. I hope you bring this tranquility into your daily life, and let it be a guiding light on your path. If you enjoyed this meditation, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this piece with others. See you in the next video. Wishing you calmness, as steady as water every day.